team is to win 2-1.
The FKF Talent Identification Training Workshop for Cohort 2 is underway in Mombasa, bringing together football scouts from across the country. The hands-on sessions are focused on modern talent identification methods and are being conducted under FIFA's Talent Development Scheme. The program is coordinated by the Football Kenya Federation Technical Department as part of efforts to strengthen grassroots football development.
Zote kwa upande wa wanawake na wanaume, ili tupate kwamba hatutawachwa nyuma katika uendelezaji wa mpira wa vijana na wa wale ambao wanaohimiza kuona kwamba Kenya iko katika kilele ya nafasi nzuri katika michezo ya international, na pia tuonekane kwamba tumejaribu kuwapa vipawa huko chini nafasi inayotakikana. We have a lot of talent here and we have a lot of potential players who are willing to be seen, and this idea of a talented development scout scheme, it will give them a lot of morale and it will push them toward being selected in the various national aspect in terms of women football, men's, and it will also give us a good idea of how we have been scouting our players in all 8 regions in the country.
And